My name's Idam Wayao. I'm the VP here at Rhino Linings of San Diego. We started the shop back in 1988 as the original Rhino Linings store here in Southern California. The really nice thing about having the Rhino Linings brand is being able to sell a brand that's well known and that's internationally known. So it's been in my family since literally the inception of the Rhino Linings Corporation. And so I've seen the product evolve massively from being a product that was the original spray-on bed liner, from different textures to different makeups and so forth. And our approach is not so much price, it's to build value in the product. And we discuss that with the consumer on the phone as we give them the price. So when they ask us about how much does it cost to spray my bed, not only do we give them a price, we also build the value in the product, explaining to them about the nationwide lifetime warranty and how many stores they can service it at, explaining to them what it is that we spray, how we spray it, why they won't have any warranty issues if they use the product correctly. We also build the value of how long we've been around, the fact that we understand how to spray this product. We've been here for such a long time, we've been doing this since day one, and at the end of the day, it comes down to who is applying my product. You can apply Rhino Linings to almost anything. At the end of the day, it's a protective coating. Yes, it made itself and who it is and what it is on truck bed liners, but at the end of the day, it's an amazing product for protective coatings. And if you understand that as a business owner and as somebody who runs a shop, you know what it can be applied on. And at times when truck sales are slow, guess what? That product can be applied on so many different applications. You just have to go out there and get it. I would highly recommend Rhino Linings to another truck accessory business, most importantly for the reason of that it gives you another edge over your competition.